Morning folks, you catch us driving out of northern Italy into Austria over the Brenner Pass.
€21 in tolls and €9 on the vignette, so €30 to go.
We had planned to stop in Innsbruck, but by the time we got there, it was snowing hard and it was going to continue all through the night. So we made the decision to carry on through to Germany.
And it's Germany. Well, this is a bit of a change from what we've been seeing. Snow last night. Not too much. Just making for a lovely drive this morning. Like being in a winter wonderland. It's midday in Munich. And the bells are ringing. We're walking into an area where there would be the German market. That's the marionette thing.
The top portion of the Marionette Tower is to celebrate the marriage of Duke Wilhelm to Renata. The lower marionettes are to signify dancing in the street at the end of the 1517 plague. Okay, we've walked into Augsburg for the Christmas market. Our first Christmas market.
Starts tonight.
So, we're just having a walk around.
Nice building.
Yeah, it's nice and clean, isn't it? A castle on a river in Germany. We haven't a clue what it's called.
No.
We'll do a voiceover of the name of the place now. Nauburg and the Donau.
Okay, so that's what it was.
So that's what it was called. We're on our way north through Germany, looking for German Christmas markets. But we're a bit early at the moment.
Yeah, we haven't found any that are open yet.
It's still late November. We pulled over in this car park for the night before heading on to Bamberg.
Braving weather and coming to Bamberg Christmas market in the evening. So let's see what it's all about.
Let's have gloves.
We've got the bars, cheeses, pretty. Yeah, I think
with these wheels.
I think they're quite popular. I did to at Christmas last year on the Christmas market, and it had one of these. Did it then?
We also enjoyed a beer and a cone of chips. So our park up for tonight, rather large river, and we have barge coming past at the moment. The banks of the River Main, which is a town called Wurzburg, or
Wurzburg. The size of this cruise boat, river cruise boat. Now we've got to go across this bridge with all the statues on it.
The riverboat cruiser.
That looks like we stepped back in time. We used to do some of that Christmas shopping in Woolworths. We used to buy the wrapping paper and stuff like that, didn't we?
We did.
But
It was always a highlight of our pre-Christmas shopping, to go to Woolworths with Mum. We parked the van and jumped on a ferry over the River Rhine to Rudesheim am Rhein to visit their Christmas market.
so we're approaching the Luxembourg border.
Well, punching number, I don't know how many.
14?
15,
I don't
14,
know.
13.
Losing count. Here we go. We're in
Luxembourg.
Luxembourg. Okay.
The speed limits have gone up from 80 to 130. Okay, next stop, Luxembourg City.
Yeah.
We're at Luxembourg Christmas market. We've got the usual shops, sweets, hats, food, Glühwein. Can't have any of that as I'm driving. We have musical instruments and games. We've got little figures. A bauble. Yeah, that's what you hang. It's on the tree.
It's a place to take photos.
There's Sarah.
It will sparkle when it's dark.
All the different snow globes. Christmas snow globes. The Luxembourg Eye. Not many people on it today. Burgers and chips. With Christmas flavouring some salmon. Lovely. Nice and warm here. Here's another one of the windmills.
Yeah. The centre seems to be the centre of every market.
Yeah. Here we go.
Yep, just about to come into Belgium. Well, looks
The snowy border between Luxembourg and Belgium. New country day.
okay. Today's flag is
Even though we only
Belgium.
stayed in Luxembourg for
Welcome
one
to
night.
Belgium.
Cathedral.
It's a spectacular building.
Isn't it?
And look, the
It's
other side
covered in
is
scaffolding.
covered in scaffolding. Big Christmas market. We even have an ice skating rink. Trying the beers in a Belgian bar.
Don't like that one.
The last post ceremony has taken place every night at 8 since 1928, with the exception of a period during the Second World War.
Tell them of us and say, for your tomorrow we give our today.
Another snowy night in the van.
And the next one, although it's not quite fitting, is the Netherlands.
The Netherlands, very similar to Luxembourg, but slightly different colours.
Yeah, that's right. We drove to the World Heritage Mill Network at Kinderdijk, Elshout, where 18th century windmills are still maintained in order to pump the water out of the low-lying ground.
Hook of Holland.
Yeah, ferry back to England, just arriving at the port. Hopefully we'll find our way round it a little bit more easily than we did in Duress. But there's a bit of a clue because it says England and shows a car on all the signs. And there's the Stena Line office, so
Straight on, is that for us?
car check-in, England departures. Into that lane, I guess. And now it's breakfast time.
The line has started to move. We've got
Yeah.
our passports ready.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Passport. This is the one that
Passport control.
yeah. Here
Which window are we at?
we go. This one. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you. Stamped out of the Schengen zone.
Yeah. Our final one.
Should never have left the bloody Schengen zone. Stupid bloody set of circumstances.
It's the clearest stamp we've had as well. Delay. Just to tell you to get 2 inches up to the car in front of this one, it's obviously not going to be that full. Back in the UK. Just got off the ferry now. Through to customs. Hopefully we should get through there without any problem.
Probably not when they see all the stamps in our book.
Well, we've not seen queues like this at a border crossing for the last 3.5 months since we left the UK, to be perfectly honest. We'll see how long it takes us. Well done, UK. The ferry's just come in and you've managed to open a whole 2 lanes. And they say the problems at Calais are to do with the French side.
That's
Not quite
cobblers.
so sure about that.